Okay, everyone, this is Irma with my note cards, and welcome back to my channel. And these are the 3 items that I made with that card that I showed in the previous video. It's the video where I take one card and I repurpose, recycle, and I create more stuff for next year. So basically, in a nutshell, what I did was, and again, I still have a few things left over, so I may make a couple of more tags, but I just wanted to show you the items that I was able to create using that one card. I made myself a tag using the border and the word Merry Christmas inside, punched a hole, and this could be used for a tag for next year. I made out of, once again, the border, and if you remember, there is a ribbon, but that came with the card, but I'm not using that as of yet. I'll create something else out of it, but in the meantime, what I did was I took the border and I stacked it up, I cut it, and I made this kind of wonky Christmas tree. I glued a snowflake on top, and I made myself a card of a very unique looking Christmas tree. Last but not least, if you remember the Christmas tree of the previous or the original card, I was able to cut out these 4 circles using my circle punch. I added a little bit of glitter, and I wrote the words in my own handwriting, Happy Holiday, and I added a little bit of sparkle, and that was that, and I was able to make the 3 items out of it. I hope that this has inspired you, and that you will consider recycling your Christmas cards by making tags or other Christmas cards out of them for next year. Have a great day.